basically what we have here in Busworld 2026, basically we don't have anything like new model, but what we have right now it's like almost a whole range of our big buses product, because back in our factories we have two lines. We have a microbus lines and we have the buses lines. Basically on the microbus lines we produce 6 meters commercial vehicles like vans. Maybe it's for shuttles, 18 seaters to 20 seaters. We don't have it here, but right now on this exhibition, what we have is from the high decker bus to our double decker bus. So basically, this one where we at right now is basically our customized project. Just to this year, only one of it. Basically, what we do is our customer requests to have a bus that can be used for his own family, just only for eight, yeah, for 8 or 7 people, yeah, I think, yeah. Yeah, and also the our customer is one of the biggest bus operators in Indonesia. Same owner with that one, same owner with the right one.
Is it true that they have 10,000 vehicles?
I'm basically our this customers is really strong in buses for how do you say it, the in Kalimantan there's a lot of mining and everything, right? So basically the bus for the workers in the mining, they're very strong in that area. That's why, yeah, they have like thousands of it, of course. But here and in Java itself, they have this M-Trans. Basically, they're intercity bus, and Bagong is a tourist bus. It's owned by one person. Yeah. Right. Yeah.
A few words on the other products
Okay,
that you
sure.
listed?
Yeah, maybe on the orange one is one of the our newest type. So basically, in this one, we fit two class in one bus. Basically, what we have over there, it's a normal sitting area, 2+2 or 2+1. Around this one is 2+1 is around 12, and then we have 18 sleeper seats. Basically, what we do before is we have one bus, basically all normal seat bus, 2+2 or 2+1, and then there's the dream coach bus with 22 cabin seats. In this bus we fit those two classes, adjust the arrangement, and then we put it in one bus over there. So basically this one is mainly used for intercity buses from short range to long range, because they can offer like they see the airplanes, they have two classes, they want to do it here as well in the buses. Yeah, that's what based on. Yeah, right, yeah.
Okay. So how many buses is Adi Putro delivering every year now?
Okay, so our capacity for back again, I have two production line, right? For our macro buses, the 6 meter bus, our capacity is 50 monthly,
50.
50, and for our buses, 150 monthly. But that's depend on the demand. Right now, this year is not a very good year for us in general. Right now, we're producing around 70 to 60. It's not our full capacity, but that's the demand on Indonesia. Yeah, it's this year it's pretty slow, almost for all of us.
How was
That's why
2025?
2025 it's starting to get slow. So basically, last year and this year it's pretty much the same. 2023 and 2024 is really good, but these past 2 years it's not really good. Not really good.
Why?
I think the new president 2024, and
Okay.
right, yeah, the new, I believe it have an effect of a year, and then right now I think still people still wait and see, because the most affected operators are the tourist bus. So for the intercity bus, it's still going well, because the demand is still there, but the demand of the tourist bus, that's the one affected pretty hard. Yeah.
How many buses did you sell for 2025 on the
2025 is around 800 to 900. 8 to 900, yeah.
So do you export as well?
No, we don't. We're not yet. Not yet.
Okay, so West Asia war is impacting your industry in Indonesia.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
West Asia war that is going on. So is it impacting your?
The material price. Yeah, the pricing. Yeah, I think it's very all the pricing, because the price of all of the oil-based product, our painting, there's oil-based product, our plastic, there's two times. But we as a company and as a bodybuilder, we cannot change our carrosserie price that quick. So basically,
Yeah.
until right now, we still hold it. But all of our suppliers here, when you see those stickers, it's all our suppliers over there. They are already up the price like crazy. But we are thinking that if right now it's not good condition, right? What happen if we increase the price? It's gonna be worse. That's why right now we still holding it. Right, yeah.
And you expect to do same numbers like last year for 2026?
Yes, around same numbers. Yeah.
Same numbers.
It's getting better this past 2 months, but the first 6 months is the first 4 months, 3 months it's really hard for us. Right.
Okay, Adi Putro is super strong in intercity and tourism buses. What
Yes.
about the city buses?
Yeah.
Is there any project to
So
increase?
basically, we produce one electric city bus,
Mhm.
and that one we work together with the Korean brand KG Mobility. Before it's Edison, but now it's KG Mobility. We already they already have it in Jakarta, and they're just prototyping it, just driving around. Yeah, that's one. And then we are on progress on doing the next one. But right now is that we have produced one electric bus. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there any help from the government on electric buses, or is it only from the customer?
It's only from customers. Here in Indonesia is different. It's different environment. Especially when you see, but when we talk about China, government or it's there with the company, right? Here we work by ourselves. We work by ourselves. Yeah, we work by ourselves. Yeah.
Any other expansion plans, new projects coming up?
Yeah. So
What-
basically, what we do this year it's a bit going far away from buses, but we start to making chiller trucks.
Ah,
Yeah, chiller truck for trucks. Yeah, chillers.
reefer trucks, right?
Yeah, reefer truck.
Wonderful.
Yeah. We had one. We released it on November, and we are on progress of doing the second one right now.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
You have a partnership with a particular OEM, or is it
No.
directly to the customer?
Directly to customers. Basically, we can put on our trucks on different chassis, right? Yeah.
Yeah,
Basically, we are just
And-
first one we do it with Mitsubishi, and the second one we still finding the chassis for that. But we're on track on doing the second one this year.
And what's the idea behind this move? I mean, you find a lot of potential in that
Yes.
space. Yeah.
Yes, a lot of potential, and I think, so basically, refrigerator trucks, and then we have the aluminum box truck, right?
Yep.
The players in Indonesia, maybe that one is a lot more players, and this one, there's a lot, but I think we still see the opportunity. Yeah, that's why.
And the technology is all in-house. Where
Yes,
does your expertise?
all in-house, yeah.
Okay.
Because in our company we have several different manufacturers. Basically, we have a fiber department, we have a plastic ABS department inside. Basically, all they do is producing parts to be used inside the conversion process. Something like that. Yeah.
Have you already started selling the reefers?
Yeah.
So how many do you think
No,
this
just-
year you would?
Oh, basically we start doing one last year, and this year we're gonna start to make it a bit smaller with a different type of chassis. We just try to complete our portfolio on different chassis. That's why we're doing that.
Right.
Yeah. And also, I think the one thing that we are doing really it's better this year is basically in Indonesia. I don't know whether that's common in Europe or not. In Indonesia, bus models is changing every 5 to 6 years. In Europe, especially Singapore, it's always like that for 10 years, 20 years. So basically, there's a opportunity on changing the fronts, changing the backs of on 6 year buses. That's also what we do right now. Basically, we just change the fronts, the actually now it's Jet Bus 5, right? But 3 years ago, Jet Bus 3. Basically, we can take that bus, we cut the front, we cut the back, and we install a new type, and then we just roll it like a new one. Yeah, something like that.
So what about Jet Bus 6? When is it coming?
Not this year, not next year.
Right. And where are you in terms of emission standards as such? Emission regulations?
Emission is on the maybe more to the
Chassis.
chassis.
Right.
Chassis.
But can you build on like a Euro 4, Euro 3
Yeah.
chassis?
That one is Euro 5, I think this
Yeah.
one. Yeah, right now it's Euro 4 in Indonesia. Right now it's all Euro 4.
Yeah, as sort of Euro 5 chassis from
Yeah.
MAN.
MAN Euro
yeah.
5. This one is also Euro 5, I believe. This one, yeah.
And when is the regulation for Euro 5 coming in?
No, the Euro 4, I think it's been 2 or 3 years ago.
Euro 5?
Euro 5? No, I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
Not
on
yet.
Euro 5. Yeah, I'm not sure on Euro 5.
And what about that ranking for the chassis builders for the customers? They prefer Volvo, Mercedes, Scania. What is
okay,
the
so basi-
favorite of the ranking of the preferences of
So-
the customers?
In Indonesia, basically not all the chassis maker playing in the same field. What I mean by this is, let's say Hino, they do a 12-meter bus with 280 horsepower and 380 horsepower. They have two products. In Mercedes, they have those two products that's complete the same with Hino, and they have the triple axle buses.
Mm-hmm.
Scania, they only play with the triple axle buses. MAN, they only focus on. So basically, the players playing in different fields. But when we say about the quantity wise, maybe Mercedes is the highest
Mm-hmm.
because they have the complete portfolio of the product. They can do the 260 horsepower. They have the triple axle horsepower, the triple axle buses chassis. That's why it's more complete portfolio for Mercedes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Do you know where are those chassis coming from? Are they assembled here
Okay,
in Indonesia, or where are
So
they coming
basically, for the 2445, the triple axle is still CBU. It's all imported from Europe. But I think the 1626 is assembled in India. 917, the medium one, is also the front engine. It's assembled in India as well. Yeah, I think 1623 is assembled here. Hino, it's all assembled here.
And Volvo?
For I have to check. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, I have to check. Yeah, but MAN, I think they still it's imported. I think, yeah, imported.
Because a few years ago, I realized that some of the products that were used here were coming from Brazil.
1636 before is from Brazil, not from India.
Okay.
And the customers, the operators, notice the difference. They notice the difference.
Okay.
Yeah. Right. Exactly this chassis before it's Brazil, but now it's India.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Anything else that you're looking forward to for this year?
Maybe more buses.
Absolutely.
It's been hard for us for this couple 3 months. From
months.
January until now, it's not a good year for us. But
Yeah.
we see a better flow right now, better demand right now since
Good.
this
Good.
month. Yeah.
You mentioned that you can cut off and replace the front and rear.
Yeah.
Is the customer that come with a chassis, old chassis, and want you to build a new body on the old chassis?
Also, yeah.
Okay.
Because the regulation here in Indonesia for the tourist bus, they can use it until the 15th year. But for the intercity bus, I think it's the 25th year.
Oh yeah.
So
you can have
basically-
two life.
Two lines. Basically, what they do is like this. Some operators, they have two lines, right? They have the tourist bus line and then they have the intercity bus lines. The new bus, they do it in the tourist bus first.
Yeah.
After they finish the life, they change it to the intercity buses.
Ah,
Yeah. So yeah. So the operator here can play with the
Yeah.
and everything. Yeah.
Recyclable buses.
yes.
Yeah. And there's a lot of our customers as well, especially our big bus operator with a good maintenance department. They even do if they have a 8-year buses, they just pull up the body.
Yeah.
They do all the refinishing on the wiring and everything. They send it to our company, and then we put a new bus.
Wow.
Yeah. And
It's
they
the same
can
do in,
they can use it
Thailand.
for another for tourist bus. They can use it for another 7 years.
Yeah.
For the intercity bus, they can use it for another 10, 12 years. That's why, yeah.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Environmentally friendly.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ah,
pretty good.
ah.
They use as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
Good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Well,
Thank you.
Thank you
and
so much.
have a good
Thank you so much.
second half of the year.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
I really appreciate it.